I decided I am flying down to the Amazon rainforest tomorrow. I'm flying to Bolivia. We're gonna take a plane over the fires, see what's going on. So I'll be on the ground. It's gonna be amazing. I've never done anything like this before. I've never flown to a disaster location. I've been in hurricanes and earthquakes, but I was just kind of in the middle of it, I couldn't get away, you know, but going there is something else. For the first time ever walking into Bolivia. This is where I am now. Let's do this. Okay, so we're here in Santa Cruz. We've had all the stuff delivered for the firefighters. Come and look at all of this. These are uniforms for them. Here we have the backpacks so that they can be spraying and putting out the fires. Oh my gosh, look at all of these supplies. So this is enough now for 200 firefighters. Okay, so we can see here the uniforms, and these are the tanks. And they have their helmets. So, and then we're gonna get on a plane tomorrow and actually give them their uniforms. We're super, super excited. Okay, let's actually help these guys carry some of these.
How are you? Hello, how are you? God bless you. God bless you. My name is George. Hello.
Hi. George. Okay, I am here with George, and we are going to be saving some lives tomorrow, saving some land, saving the Amazon. How do you feel seeing all of this equipment here? ¿Cómo se siente ver todo esto aquí para ir a la gente para salvar?
Happy, feliz. The people is crying. De Amazonía están llorando. La gente, the people está perdiendo todo. The fire is no good. The fire is bad. La gente necesita ayuda. Helping. The people helping.
He says the people need help.
Yeah.
People are losing everything. People are losing their chickens, they're losing their land. And it's not sustainable like this. We have to come here, we have to support. We are on a small private plane on our way to Roboré to give out the uniforms. This is the whole room here. Spencer, how do you feel about all the work that has been done to raise the money for the uniforms and then finally being able to present it?
Yeah.
Oh my god, the earth is burning, guys. The earth is burning. Can you see the clouds of, let me see if I can get a little bit of a better view for you. Okay, so we are here now, getting off of the plane in the disaster zone. We are going to see already how dry everything is. We are going to now give the uniforms. Oh my god, guys, it's so hot. It's so freaking hot here. Gracias.
Bienvenido. Gracias a ustedes. Gracias.
So we are just unpacking the supplies, and then we're gonna go in and give away the equipment, making sure they have everything they need to put out these fires. Tengo uno más. ¿Eso es para ti? Okay. ¿Eso es para ti? Que Dios te bendiga. Estoy aquí con los héroes aquí de Bolivia. ¿Qué quieren decir? ¿Qué quieren decir a la gente que van a ver este video?
Gracias por toda la ayuda. Gracias. Esto es impagable. No tenemos cómo pagarlo. Un aplauso para ustedes.
Gracias. Nos mandamos tanto amor a todos ustedes.
Love you.
Love you. We see everything here together.
Thank you, people. Thank you. I love you. Thank you, people.
We love you from me and George.
Thank you.
¡Mierda! Corre.